First of all, cut the gauge off like this. Then stick the tape here and put it on the corner. The distance is 25 millimeter, like this. Here from here is 25 millimeter. Then take out the lock catch. You can see this is center groove and aim at the corner of gauge. Then close the door. Mark here on the same line of the gauge. Then take out the lock body. In the middle, aim at the middle, and the top from here. The distance is about 5 millimeter. Then stick it. Then close the door. You can see the door is closed. Then use the key. The door is opened. When you are not using the key, you can take out the key section far away from children. Then put the key here. That's all.